YouTube? We back with another video, and I told y'all last video, we keeping these bangers and these hits coming. So do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe if y'all ready for these bangers to come, these unboxings, all this good stuff is coming. And hey, y'all could be a part of it too. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, make sure you leave a comment and like the video. Yo, let's get into this heat. I think these are unreleased. They ain't released yet, so y'all know how that go. You know, shout out to GOAT. You know, go for that for the unreleased heat and all that good stuff. You know, it's some heat. It's something I ain't had, something I don't have a lot of, and I just wanted to see them in hand. I love the color, and hey, y'all gonna love it too. So let's get into this unboxing. Let's see what they sent you, boy. Oh. Yeah, it's a box. I know, it's a box. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. It's just the paper. Orange box. Let's see. Got the orange box in here. Yes. I ain't gonna. If I show y'all the label, y'all know what it is. So I can't show y'all the label. I'm sorry. But these have not released yet from what I'm seeing. I think they got pushed back. They might be coming, they might not. If they are, I'll leave the release date in the description, or I'll pop it up somewhere here later after I research. I don't know. But y'all ready to see these? Y'all ready to see them? I'm ready to see them, so let's get to it. Let's get to it. This is my first time seeing them too, so we gonna get this together. I know I'm like just show the shoe. Can y'all see it through there? Oh, y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Bam. Let's get that out the way. Get that out. Yes, sir. Y'all see them. We have some gold. That's what they call gold, and goldenrod, which is crazy. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Dunks. Yes. Welcome to Dunks to the collection. Something different. I told y'all these next couple videos is gonna be crazy. Y'all see it. A lot of people like the Jordan 1 highs like this in this color. These lows is killing it. I think this is better. I think the quality is better. You know, they ain't messing with a lot of dunks. I just think they're coming out with a lot of colors of dunks, and they flooding the market. It's like they're flooding the market with Jordan 1s, but this is a dope colorway. Nevertheless, got that Nike in the inside of there with the black and the gold in the inside of that, boy. Yeah, Steelers color all day. Not a Steelers fan, but y'all know how it go. Yes, sir. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe, man. Like I said, this unreleased. I don't think they dropped nowhere. So if they have, they have. But for the most part, I ain't seen them nowhere, and I ain't seen them drop nowhere. So, you know, do me a favor, hit that like button, comment below. Get into some B-roll, some shots, maybe some on feet. I don't know, but we're gonna shoot the shot, shoot the video, whatever it is. I don't know. I'm just talking. But yeah, Welcome the dunks to the collection. And yo, we out. Do me a favor. Stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Yo, it's your boy Black, and we out.